Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing this piece that you see in front of you. It is a swipe in primary colors, but obviously it comes out more of a rainbow. I'm hoping you're going to enjoy it. If you have any questions, please do leave them down below in the comments section. So let's get you down to the canvas and show you how this all came together. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Today's pillow paint is Gliden Essentials in eggshell, and my pouring medium is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick. The paints are listed here, but they'll also be down in the descriptions below, mixed with 3 parts pouring medium and 1 part paint. I want to take a second to talk about the colors here. Nebula, the Twilight, Glisten, and Macaw are all part of the this little piggy line, and the Prussian Autumn Yellow, the Carolina Shimmer, the Ellen's Red Shimmer, and the Shelee's Masquerade Shimmer, all part of the Porridge Posse line. All absolutely beautiful colors, and I recommend every one of them. Cell activators today are listed here. They are mixed with 4 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. Putting down the pillow paint now. Again, that's Gliden Essentials eggshell. Putting on the first color, which is Nebula. I'm going to be putting down quite a bit of paint in order to get coverage on this large 20 by 20 inch canvas. Next color is Glisten, followed by Shelee's Masquerade Shimmer. I should mention that I am not sponsored by any of the paint brands that I talk about on this channel. I'm just enthusiastic about their products. Our next color is Carolina Blue Shimmer. Next is a swath of titanium white. Next up is Prussian Autumn Yellow, which has a beautiful deep hue. Up next is TLP Twilight. This pigment creates a wonderfully warm red with a gold undertone. Next up is Ellen's Red Shimmer. This is a Porridge Posse paint that I have absolutely fallen in love with. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of Glisten and Macaw across the top to bring out that bit of shimmer to add to the piece. Next, I'm moving to the cell activators. I'm loading up the back of my swiping tool, first with the titanium white and followed up by the carbon black. It's looking like I have the swiping tool almost loaded up, so it's swiping time. There were a few sections that I'd like to enhance a bit more, so I picked up my small swiping tool and loaded it up, and we're going to add that in now. Let's see if I can stretch this out a little bit, get some of the coverage, and open up some of the cells before we spin. You notice that I'm walking the colors down the canvas, and then I'll return them back to where they started. This makes sure that the cells don't get wonky. Let's spin this thing out and see what we end up with. I'm trying to balance out the section between the red and the dark at the top, so I'm spinning more to move that paint off and make sure that I don't have too much paint on the canvas. That can cause problem with drying, and that's not a good thing. So let's see what we can do with this. I'm standing back looking at what the composition is doing. I don't mind the negative space, but I would like to see the dark section at the top a little more prominent. The rainbow at the bottom, I'm okay with that. I just want to see a little more balance. So spinning it out just a little bit more, see if I can get that to move. A lot of spinning here. I think the fact that it spins this long is a testament to my cake spinner that I'm using. Okay, I think we're going to be done here. So let's take down for the flyover. You're going to notice that there is quite a bit of interest here. I got some stratification I really didn't expect in that section. You can see lots of cells throughout the piece. I hope that you've liked what you've seen today. And if so, could you give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell for future notifications. It's my goal to put out 4 videos per week. If you have any questions or comments, I invite you to leave them below in the comments section. And again, thank you very much for joining me today on this journey. Bye now.